Hello CS50, this is the presentation of my version of the Pinocchio Pizza application, web application. So let's start. I will start by showing you the registration system of my application it's provided by Django. So Django provides us of a login page and a register page that has been customized by me, of course. And as we have not registered as J Harvard, so we will do it. So John Harvard. I will leave this blank intentionally to show you the validation system. It is working. And here it asks me for a valid email address. So I register. So the two password fields didn't match. As you can see, this is part of the validation system that works like a nice Django 1 2 3 and it starts. So we have already been registered in the system. Now I can log in as J Harvard, and as the application starts, so the previous order it is recorded into the web browser. So it doesn't matter if I close the window or the tab. The web browser records. The JavaScript part of this, the front end part of this application, it records this orders menu dictionary that I have intentionally. As you can see, order is basically a key value pair that shows the amount of items that I have chosen for the menu and the ID of of such item. So as I confirm order, this redirects me to the customized order web page, in which I can put the number of or I can choose the toppings that it will has. For example, the regular pizza and a regular pizza 2, and additional, for example, and this one too. If I put 3 items, so the validation system, it also throws me an error in which it says to me, please just choose 2. So in any time I can discard this order and do not place it. So for example, let's say I'm a little less hungry, and I have 4 items in the cart, in the shopping cart. So let's place let's say this order. So 2 toppings for this pizza, 2 toppings for this pizza, and this Italian, and this without any topping, without any extra. So as you can see, the items are renamed with the name of the item and the name of the toppings that you have chosen, and you can set up the quantity of those of this kind of pizza. This one is a different kind of pizza, and I can place, for example, 3 of this one and 2 of the other ones, and the price is automatically calculated here. If I can go back and add, for example, more extras, and you can see the Italian, it costs $6.50, and the price of this one, because it has many extras, is $8. So the price is computed in the last row, and I can submit it, and that is so. For example, in my orders, I can see the order that the orders that I have placed. You can access as a super user, and Carlos Django 1 2 3 is the password, and it has this special module pending orders, in which all of the orders that has been placed but they haven't been delivered, it will be in this web page, that it could be used, for example, in the kitchen, in which you want to account for the orders that are placed and you have to deliver. And for example, let's say that you have delivered this one, the administrator of the web page, it is going to say, okay, I have already delivered this order. So if you can see, I can log out here and log in again as J Harvard, and as you can see, that order will not appear here in the pending orders. And that's it. Thank you very much.